माय नेम इज़ रईस आलम जैदी एंड वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। काफ़ी टाइम से कोई वीडियो नहीं बना पाया था क्योंकि जॉब स्टडी इनमें बिजी होके मुझे वक्त नहीं मिल रहा था। सो काफ़ी टाइम के बाद मैं आपके सामने आया हूँ एक नई वीडियो के साथ। सो आई वांट टू टेल यू अबाउट वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड। आई मेट दिस गाय बैक इन February. He came here on job seeker visa and I discussed a lot of things about technical jobs, about job seeker visa, the situation of technical jobs in COVID-19. Recently, he got the blue card. So, I would request to my friend, please introduce yourself about your education, about your jobs. Please tell our viewers about your experience.
Thank you, Rice. You've given a wonderful opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
Hi, I'm Uma Shankar. I came from Chennai, India.
Mm-hmm.
I have completed my MSc Software Science in 2005. I have overall 12 years of experience in database administration. And overall, I have applied 2019 September. I applied job seeker visa, and December 29th, I started from India to here travel, and 29th reached in Berlin, and September I got job seeker, and December I have moved to Berlin, and from the first day I have a good experience, and have the next day I just started as a New Year celebrations. From that point and first week of January, I started job searching. I have met lot of friends and everyone, so blindly I went and I shared my CV and everything. So I feel lot of problems in my CV. After one person, as an experienced person, I made it, and he given a lot of guidance and changed the resume format. That resume format is based on European format resume. So after that, that covering letter is very very important for here in German.
For the
Covering
full
letter,
time.
yes,
If you are applying
exactly.
for a full time.
Exactly, full
Okay.
time. For covering letter is very very important.
Okay.
So whatever your skills you have to present in the covering letter. So experience is the second type. First type is a covering letter. So I don't have a proper covering letter. So he explained very clearly
Your friend
about
does already have
yes,
that.
exactly. He already working in a company. So he had clearly explained about the covering letters. So after I got a lot of expert skills from him, I have changed my covering letter and also resume format. I just again forward to him and recheck my resume and also my covering letter.
So Anna, this is a suggestion to my viewers. Please focus on your cover letter when you are applying for a full-time job. Okay, Anna, one question which I want to ask. From which city you started your journey in Germany? You came in Berlin or in another city?
No, I'm straight to my first day. I started in Berlin only.
Okay, so Berlin is the first city you came here.
Exactly.
Okay, and then you applied in which company?
I have applied almost in a month. I have applied 200 companies through online.
Every month you apply.
Is the portal is LinkedIn is a basic main tool to search and to get a job.
LinkedIn.
The second portal is StepZone, and third link is Zinc. These three things are very very important in Germany to get an opportunity.
So viewers, LinkedIn, Stepstone, and third one is Zing. These are the main portal to apply for the full-time job, especially in IT if you are in IT. Okay, Anna. So Anna, I want to ask you, have you used LinkedIn premium account?
Yes, of course.
And what about Zing or Stepstone?
Everything I have used premium account.
Okay, so it is necessary if you are applying for a full-time.
It
So
is
you have to use a premium account,
exactly.
whatever website you are using.
Yeah. So I will tell you about the premium account advantages. If you have a premium account, right, so you can contact the recruiter directly. So you can show your interest also. You can grab the things you can grab the recruiter easily, and you can also show the interest how I'm actually correctly matching with the profile, so that it is easy to contact him and easy to approach in a better way. This is the first step of a premium account advantages.
Okay, that's very good information for my viewers. So Anna, can you please tell my viewers about your skill set?
Of course,
Yeah,
I'll
please.
tell you.
Mm.
My skill set is database administrator.
Uh-huh.
So I'm a part of a database work, everything in programming and coding, everything we have to do. What is meant by data administration? Overall, an IT field, they know everything. But in case, I will explain you little wider also. So every information which we have been storing in a database is stored in the database only.
Mhm.
Okay. There is different databases there. So Oracle is my base database. Okay. Oracle is our base database.
Oracle. Mhm.
Yeah, I'm a part of Oracle programmer, and also I completed a Oracle certified person.
Technologies you would recommend to my viewers that should be learned.
Yeah.
What are they?
Yeah, of course I will tell you. When I came here as a database administrator,
Mhm.
I have faced a lot of issues and a lot of rejections have happened because here people are looking, a recruiter is mainly not only database administrator
Uh-huh.
and also tester, and also for other skills also one person should learn. More multiple skills should have one person.
Okay.
Okay, but I can if you check to India, one person have one skill only. That's
True.
the only problem. But here one person have multiple skills. So what happened? I faced database administration. I didn't get a proper job because of I don't have other skills also. So for that, what I learned the current trend of the skill set is AWS, Microsoft Azure, and also Python
Python.
and business intelligence. So in Microsoft. So these tools are very much in market, highly demand to get a job in a job seeker visa.
Tell us about your interview experience.
Yeah.
I mean, how different are interviews from India or in Germany? What is the difference you found in interviews?
Of course, I will tell you my personal experience.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, in India, my interview will be scheduled as much as quickly. So if you take one person, if you have taken an interview, that person will be the point out. They'll maximum 2 or 3 rounds they will take, and also it will take hardly 1 week. It will close the interview actually. But in Germany, it's widely different.
Okay.
So first round will be taking for 1 day, and second round will take hardly 2 weeks.
Okay.
These 2 weeks, why they are taking is for that recruitment, 10 people saw first round, they will be taken interview. So after 10 rounds of taking an interview by 10 people, in that 2 or 3 person will be selected for the second round.
Mm-hmm.
So that the 2 weeks they are taking. This is a process of
Okay.
Germany. So like
Two
that,
rounds.
2 rounds. If second round and third round, for that period it will be too wide. Again 3 weeks it will be take. So overall the complete process of an interview it takes 3 months in German.
Okay. And what about rejection?
So yeah, rejection obviously because the main problem here is German language. So as an IT, I face little less only rejection, but in case mostly they will ask only for German language. If you have like B1 level, basic B1 level, you can able to eligibility of first round. German is very important for people who are coming for job seeker visa, at least B1 level. They can easily get a job within a month or within 2 months.
Uh-huh.
Because my personal experience, I don't have a job seeker visa. So I don't have a job
German language experience. You
Sorry,
don't
okay.
So you don't have a any certificate.
Any
you know?
certificate. So I blindly came here.
Ah.
After I attended the interview, so first month I noticed that German is very very important to get a job. If you know B1, you will get a job in a month. So I don't know how to improve my skills.
So no matter how strong your technical skill or not, language is language.
Yeah, language is the first gate of to enter into a company.
Okay.
That's the main important. That is also B1 level. Okay.
It should be at least B1.
B1 level.
Uh-huh.
So every company expecting B1 level of German language.
Oh.
So it is easy. That much important for German language.
You faced a lot interview here in Germany, and you finally you got the blue card. So how you get the blue card from job seeker? What was the process?
Yeah.
Can you please explain?
Here in Germany,
Mm-hmm.
you have to apply Almendan. It's very very important.
For a city
Okay,
registration.
city registration.
Mhm.
With the Almendan, you will get a tax ID.
Mm-hmm.
These 2 things very important for to get a job. After you got a job, these 2 things we have to share to the employer.
Okay.
Okay, that's why we are saying very important. Okay, So after got the job, so these two documents I shared to the employer. After that, I have submitted my skill set documentation to my employer.
Your experience,
Experience
and
and
all
everything I
documents.
said. From that, they applied one documentation to me. That documentation nothing but employer, I am fully eligible for this post. So that documentation they provided to me,
So they provided you a full-time offer letter.
offer letter.
Okay.
So the document is the main important. That document I send it to the immigration office.
Okay.
So that immigration office with all the sub document like almond and tax ID and other passports and everything, my personal details I have shared. And also insurance document is very, very important, insurance document. That also I taken. So from when I applied it, it took me 10 working days.
10 working days.
To get a first level of approval.
Okay.
The first level of approval means you will get a temporary work permit.
Okay.
Temporary work permit to work for the company.
That was not a blue card.
No, it's not a blue card.
It was just a temporary work permit. You can work until your job is
Job.
gone.
Okay. That's the immediate we are going to join the company. So they
Okay.
will give a temporary work permit. After temporary work permit, that PDF document, in that it will take 4 weeks to get a Europe blue card.
Okay.
It's a blue card work.
So with that temporary work permit and apart from that offer letter and all the Anmeldung, insurance, all the document, with this document, set of document, you applied for a blue card
Yeah.
and you got your blue card.
Blue card.
Okay.
So after that I served my temporary work permit. From that point, it will take 4 weeks.
and what
They
was
want
the
to be quickly joined actually.
Okay.
So, but here they said actually 1 week only they have, but it will take 2 weeks actually.
You mean that the Bihode
Before it
took time?
because that time we got in Corona time, so we
Okay.
cannot be able to do that much possibility work actually. So this is what delay. But the main thing is this main Corona time people has to take efficiency is you have to upgrade your skills.
Okay.
Okay.
I mean, this is the suggestion you would like to tell my viewers what the changes or what the skill they should learn meanwhile they are sitting in India.
Yeah, exactly.
Because the situation is completely changed now till then.
Okay.
So because it's a Corona time and the company is, as I hear, most of they are firing people from the jobs. So what suggestion you would like to tell my viewers?
Of course.
So being a technical guy, what would you say?
Of course, I'll definitely tell you. So don't be panic actually. So here in German skill sets, people who are coming from job seeker, mainly they have to upgrade the skills in particularly full stack developer,
Full stack developer,
backend developer,
backend developer,
as a cloud management skill set like AWS and Microsoft Azure. These are more wanted skill set in Germany.
Okay.
So if you know these jobs skill set people, they have having 80% of job you can easily get a job. And also if you have a basic level of B1 level German skills, you can 100% you can able to get a job. This is my wishes, and everybody should know what are the current skill set needed in Germany. So if they know, definitely you can get the job easily. So this is my advice, and hope my personal advice, don't get irritated, don't get worried if you get a lot of rejections. Okay, because a lot of rejections will happen normally. So any company will get a positive reply. So but you should be get up to the level of mark your skill set. So you have to upgrade your skill set daily by your things. It's up to your things. Okay, because here Germans are process wise it takes some time. So okay. It doesn't worry about you won't get a job or not like that. Be optimistic. The patients give a meaningful answer. So you have to upgrade your skill set. What are the latest skill set I already explained. So if you have been mocked on the latest skill set, definitely you will get a bright future in Germany. Hope all the best.
Thank you so much, Anna, for your time.
Thank you, Grace, for your wonderful experience and for I am sharing my skill set to you. Thank you.